Moved to Devon House. And since we moved here, we always felt that Devon House needed a Jamaican restaurant. This is such an important site, such a Jamaican historical heritage site. Do you agree with me? Yeah. So, my boss here, Miss King, and I said, let's do a Jamaican restaurant. And he says, stay away from the kitchen. You have no clue of how to do curry goat. You have no clue of how to do oxtail. So, I've been staying away from the kitchen, and she took over with her team. Where is the team? Come, guys. Come, guys. This is the Jamaican team. So, after 2.5 years at Devon House, we decided that it's time to give Devon House Jamaica, Kingston, an authentic Jamaican restaurant. And it's not my restaurant, it's this woman's restaurant. She designed everything. The entire concept is hers, so I'm done. It's her microphone. Thank you all for supporting us. And it's all about Orlease King, not about Alex anymore. Leave me alone, I'm gonna retire.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you all so much for coming out this evening. It means a lot to us that you took time out, and especially since it rained this evening. I know the traffic was really bad, so thanks to everybody for being here. Alex pretty much said it, since we moved here, I've always felt that it would be a good plus to add something truly Jamaican to Devon House and the space that exists here. We started off by doing Reggae Mill Bar, which is our bar, nightlife, entertainment spot, and the home of Fridays at the Devon. We've decided to add Reggae Mill Restaurant. And like Alex said, I have said to him, stay out of the kitchen. I have people who are capable of doing authentic Jamaican food. We don't want any fusions. We just want to keep it real. We want to keep it as simple as grandma's recipe. And like I said, there are some dishes there that have some really unique names, and all these names are tied to stories that are associated with my country upbringing. And I have a group of people tonight who are talking about the wife is stewed peas, which is something we'll be sampling later. That's one of the dishes. I don't know how the guys are going to feel about having it, but I'll just tell you that it's cooked the way a wife should cook a plate of food for a man. Right, so that's only one of the dishes, and that's just one of the really pretty names that we have for the dishes. There's Rudy Ram Goat. That one is very popular, and they might be a little easier for them to accept that one. Rudy is top man. What do I say? Long distance. He's like the boss of all boss when it comes to the quality of goats that he produces. He's a local goat farmer. Country, yes. So we only use the local goat meat. When we say we're keeping it truly Jamaican, we really do mean that we want to keep it truly Jamaican. We want a little piece of something inside of Devon House that y'all can be proud of. It's not just for visitors, even though we want to entice them as well, but we want our locals to be able to come to a nice space and have truly Jamaican food and just relax and have a good time. So I don't want to keep it too long with all the talking. I'm not much of a talker. It's really about fun this evening. We wanted to have an opportunity to try all the dishes. So once I'm done here, the floor will be open. We'll have food on that side, and everybody can just go over and take a little bit of everything. My team is here. I could not have done this without the team. They are awesome. Every last one of them. This is a combination of every department. Really, we have our kitchen, we have maintenance, we have our manager Marlon. Marlon, just hold your hand up so they can see you. We can't do without you, Marlon.
My girl.
And we have our servers here. We have Josiah and Janelle and Ramona and Anne-Marie. These guys, listen, they know what it means to cook real Jamaican food, and this is why we don't need Alex around here anymore. Alright? They know what they're doing. So I just wanted to know that Alex is saying this is all about me, but it really could not have happened without these amazing guys that you're looking at right here. So it's all about the team. Guys, would you please put your hands together for the team? Yes. They're all awesome. I mean, I post them sometimes, I'm not gonna lie to you, but at the end of the day, they're amazing. They are amazing, and I'm really proud of all of them. Alright guys, love you guys. I love you guys. Alright, so I think that's it from me for now. Oh, one thing that I must say before I close up, because this is really, really important. I understand that I've been getting a little bit of buzz that some people are thinking that we're rebranding and they're asking, so where is Opa now? And I just want to let you guys know.
Whoa, Opa is staying. I'm cooking the Greek stuff, alright? So, Opa is still here, so both menus are available.
Right.
It's just that we're highlighting the Jamaican. This is Kingston, Jamaica. Jamaican is number 1, Greek is number 74.
Right guys, so we do still have our Greek restaurant Opa here, still doing good. We are still able to order from the Greek menu, but we've just added our Jamaican restaurant to offer you more variety, so you have more options. And if you wish to have Jamaican food on the Greek side or Greek food on the Jamaican side, it really doesn't matter. We just want you to come and enjoy what we have to offer. So that's it guys. Have a good evening. There will be music playing. We don't want this to be too stiff and formal. We want you to let loose a little bit, dance and enjoy yourself. Have a fun evening. I think we'll be coming around to talk to you a little bit. Feel free to give your feedbacks and so on about your experience this evening and about the food once you tried. And just have a wonderful time. Thank you so much everybody for coming. Thank you Yusin, the whole A team. Thank you guys. Alright, that's it. DJ, it's your time.